Here it is, bottom of the ninth.
Yes, folks, this is the most stressful game ever.
One away. Oh, it's a fair ball! Fuck!
Yeah, you're done.
Come on, third! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about! Yeah! One away! The second he did it! Let's shut out Nintendo Baseball.